What is this pull station? A. Edward Sega, B. BG12, or C. Simplex T-bar? What is this pull station? What is this alarm? A. Spectral Advance, B. Spectral Classic, or C. EST Genesis Horn Strobe? What is this exit sign? A modern LED exit sign or a Lithonia exit sign? What is this alarm? A Chinese ripoff? B. A spectral advance, or C. A system sensor spectral alert? What is this? A spectral advance strobe or a spectral advance ceiling strobe? What is this? A. A spectral advance, B. EST Genesis Horn Strobe, or C. EST LED Genesis? What is this? BG12 with panel on top, Simplex T-barred with panel on top. What is this? A Simplex True Alert, Spectral Alert Advanced, or EST Genesis Horn Strobe? Now for extra credit, can you guess this alarm and what company it's by? What is this pull station? Edward Sega, Simplex T-bar, or Edward Sega 270 SPO, whatever it's called. What is this? A wheel lock, exceeder, or is it a rare alarm that is rarely seen in buildings now and they do not sell anymore? Or is this a new alarm that the wheel lock still sells? And for the last time, what is this alarm again? An Edwards EST Genesis Horn Strobe or an EST LED? Now, in the study guide, you saw this picture. Now, there's one missing picture. What did the lettering say on the back that's not on here? So what did the lettering say on the back of the truck? Thank you for taking this test. The answer key will be in the next video.